Good morning. Welcome to another Designer's Den. We are here talking about our Modern Rustic series at our Firestone location, and I'm here with Stacy, one of their designers, and we are now in the living room space. So again, we're going to break down some modern and rustic features, but we're also going to talk about symmetrical design and asymmetrical design. So just specifically in this space, kind of rule of thumb with symmetry.
I mean, if you look at a room and it could be a mirror on the other side, it looks like it could be a mirror, that means it's symmetrical. Same things on the other side, same with our artwork here. Also our bookshelves.
Yeah.
But you want to keep things still a little asymmetrical.
So asymmetrical would be having something a little off-centered, whereas, you know, these sofas are mirroring, like you said, each other on either side. If we were to draw a line down the center, the pictures are on the other, or on opposite sides like a mirror. But like we have a pot over here that would be asymmetrical, still fills the space, but it still feels balanced. It's not the same on each side. So another asymmetrical feature in this space are
like
the bookshelves.
Yeah, so we filled the bookshelves with accessories, black accessories. Love that.
You don't look so bad yourself over there. Like those accessories.
So we've done similar accessories on either side, but they're different. It just kind of breaks it up a little bit. Still balanced, but still asymmetrical.
Asymmetrical, yeah, absolutely. I love that it fills the space. You still have little sprinkles of those black accessories in there, and we also have those on this wonderful, big-sized, overscaled occasional table as well.
These are so in. We've been getting so many in. They're big. They're great for just like a sitting area like this, or in a big giant family room. Also, you can do several different kinds of accessories on top. Simple yet they make a big statement. So I call these the filler, the spiller, and the thriller. 3 things.
That is a great rule of thumb as well, and a good kind of line to remember when you are doing design. A filler, a spiller, and a thriller. Love that. Love that.
Then we've got different height on it and everything, but it's still very simple.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we ground the room with this wonderful black and tan rug here as well. So we bring in a little bit more of that Southwest feel, where we bring in that rustic, yet we still have some modern pieces in here with the artwork and some of those just really simple black accent pieces as well. So again, we want to know your style. Are you modern? Are you rustic? Or are you up on the trends and you're in with the modern and rustic? So leave a comment below, and we will see you next time.
Here on Designer's Den.